Consciousness is not myself as how I think. When self is usually attached with mind, body, and especially ego. The ego separates us from spirit. It limits the perception of who I am to my body and its senses rather than realize what is consciousness. Those who are astute at meditation understand well what is consciousness. Consciousness, as said in the satsang, is all-pervasive and all-knowing. It is an invisible energy which permeates the entire universe as well as ourselves. It is full of its own wisdom. Within our bodies, we too are not responsible for how our heart beats, when our stomach digests its food, when we decide to breathe in and out. Consciousness does it for us. The planets in the universe are not in orbit or operate because of our human mind, but a cosmic mind. That is consciousness. This consciousness is what responds to us when we seek help from a higher self, from God. Whatever name you give it, it is giving us intuitive nudges. It is these glitches in the matrix where aspects of consciousness are shown and revealed to us from time to time. But the more it is tapped into, the less we identify with the mind, with the senses, and more with consciousness. Consciousness, the wisdom that creates the entire universe. Consciousness, the energy that is existent everywhere. Consciousness, the all-knowing, ever-prevalent Atman. Consciousness, the energy that is prevalent everywhere. This consciousness, the awareness of it is why Krishna tells Arjuna in the Bhagavad Gita that you are not the doer. Do your dharma, but leave the results to a higher power. Surrender. Surrender one's mind and body to consciousness. Surrender one's ego and identity to a bigger identity. At the end, our identity is consciousness. It is all pervasive. When we think we are this small body in our past, we are bound to fail. But when we identify ourselves as one with consciousness, then Tattvam Asmi, I am that, I am Brahma, I am Shiva, Shivoham. And the best enriching one can do is to realize this understanding and guide others towards this. The separatism is not consciousness, but oneness is. Yeah.